Ralph here once again, and what we're trying to do here is explain how the normalization process works in reference to simple returns. Now, for example, what we're doing here is we're bringing everything to 100, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple. So what we're basically doing in reference to this chart is we're taking the very first row, for example, if you look at Amazon here, and dividing every following row by the first row. For example, 1902 divided by 1898 gives us 1.00256, so on and so forth. So what ends up happening with this normalization is you have a very easy chart to read in reference to returns. Now, the interesting part about this chart here is you have a very, very distinct pattern. But you can figure out, I guarantee will make you very, very wealthy. Look at that. Is that by chance or what? Catch you guys in a bit. Ralph signing off. Bye.